Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 5 profitable niches for you to make money on YouTube. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel, or maybe you have a YouTube channel and it is not growing and you're wondering what's happening and you really want to be making money from your YouTube channel, then you need to watch this video to the end and make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because in this video I want to show you the top 5 profitable niches that you should focus on if you want to be making money from your YouTube channel. Now, the interesting thing about these niches that I want to mention is that it is highly profitable, it is evergreen, and you can have a lot of audiences, a lot of subscribers that are willing to subscribe and follow you and even pay for your knowledge. All right, so without wasting much time, we'll get straight into the video so that I'll show you these profitable niches. But before we do that, I need you to kindly do me a favor by liking this video and subscribing to this video. And when you subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share valuable content like this. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online and grow your business. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Let me show you top 5 profitable niches that will help you make money on YouTube. Number 1 on my list is the make money online and personal finance niche. Okay, this is by far the most popular kind of content that you will find on YouTube. If you want to be making money on YouTube, whether it is monetization you're looking at, or you want to be selling your product, or you want to get people to pay for your knowledge, this is a very valuable and popular niche that you can focus on. Why does this works? It works because it has high CPM niche, and it is likely that brands will pay you for ads on your channel, okay, especially if you're doing a make money online niche. And the beautiful thing is that you can be talking about side hustles, you can talk about passive incomes, you can talk about budgeting, investment guides, affiliate marketing, and so on and so forth. All right, that is number 1. Number 2 is tech and gadgets or software tutorials. If you are someone that loves tech, you love new things about tech, you love trendy stuffs about technology, applications, appliances, you can go into this niche if you're a techie person, because you can be talking about reviews, you can talk about new deals, you can talk about new stuffs that are coming out, you can be doing unboxing of new gadgets, you can talk about how people can navigate and use a software, you can talk about the best apps that are working for you. So with that, you can have your audiences that are interested in that area, and you can be getting people who are willing to do business with you. Okay, number 3 is education, how-tos. If you know how to teach, this works best for you. If you're a coach, if you're a teacher, if you're somebody that is into education, okay, this is a very evergreen content niche for you. If you are good at teaching stuff, if you love to impact knowledge, you love to share what you are learning, this is a very good niche for you. Just like you're watching this video right now, many people go to YouTube not just to be entertained, but to find out how stuffs can be done. So if you focus on this niche, you could be making a lot of money from your YouTube channel. One good thing apart from just monetizing your channel is that people can pay you if you do well in this niche. If you teach honestly and you share a lot of value, people will be more willing to pay you for your time, pay you for your knowledge, pay you for your skill if you do well in this niche. You can teach skills like coding, like video editing, like language, like French, like anything that people really want to learn. That is number 3. Number 4 is health, fitness, and weight loss. This is another very, very profitable niche that you can focus on. If you're good with anything around fitness, around health, around weight loss or weight gain, you can focus on this niche. You can talk about workout, you can talk about routines, you can talk about meal plans and recipe, you can talk about fitness challenge, how to grow muscles, how to lose weight, how to gain weight. You can even talk about how people can actually stay healthy. This is a very good niche that can make you a lot of money on YouTube if you know how to do it. So my number five, which is the fifth one, which is the fifth one, is digital products and online business. If you know how to do digital products, if you know how to provide solutions, you can be showing people how to do digital products. You can be talking about businesses, business growth, affiliate marketing, how to sell ebooks, how to create courses online, how to use ChatGPT, how to do drop shipping, and many things. And this also connects to the how-to niche. Okay, you can be making a lot of money from this niche. So these are the 5 top profitable niches that can help you make money on YouTube. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you have questions for me, or you want to work with me to make money online, you really want to learn how to make money online, then go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. Make sure that you are liking, make sure that you are following, make sure that you have turned on the notification bell, and also don't forget to check the link in the description for other details that I will drop there. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.